Heyo boss, and welcome back. It is fall time and we are so excited. The weather's getting cooler, so we have a nice warm dish for you. This is roasted red potatoes. So excited to share this dish. It's very simple and tastes great. Let's get cooking. So you're going to start off with your red potatoes, and these are a waxy potatoes, so they roast really well. Chef wants to give a special shout out to his mom and dad who actually supplied these potatoes for today's video. So thank you, Mama and Papa Chef. Next up, go ahead and rinse your potatoes in cold water, pat them dry, and then just cut them evenly. After all the potatoes have been cut up evenly, place them in a large bowl. And you're going to want to add some olive oil first. And be generous because they're going to cook for a while. Next up, we're going to start our seasonings, and Chef's going to start off with some sea salt. And then he's going to do freshly cracked pepper. And you can use different seasonings, whatever you prefer, by all means. After that, Chef's going to add some Italian seasoning, which is just out of the container, Italian blend that you can buy at the store. And he's also going to add some smoked paprika, and all the ingredients will be listed down below. Give this a good mixing, and don't forget to check out our blog for the full recipe. We do apologize, we're behind on a couple videos. We are getting those up to date. Once everything's been mixed, go ahead and take out a nice good sized casserole bowl and add one more layer of olive oil to the bottom to prevent sticking. Go ahead now, place your potatoes right in the bowl, give them a little bit of a shake or a stir to make sure they're nice and even. And have your oven set to 400 degrees. These are going to go in for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. After 30 minutes, Chef's going to remove them, and all he's going to do is just take a spoon and mix them around. He doesn't want them to stick because they've got to do some more cooking time. Just a nice, gentle stir, and then if you want to give them a little bit of a shake. Back in the oven, 400 degrees still, but for 20 minutes. Okay, so after the 20-minute mark, Chef's going to again take them out. They are browning nicely, as you can see. Another stir with the spoon. And go ahead now. He's going to add some Parmesan cheese. So this is something that we wanted to try different than other people. A little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. Back in the oven for 15 more minutes at 400 degrees. After that final 15 minutes, Chef's he's going to turn the light off and let them rest. He turned it off. 15 more minutes with the oven off. Let them rest. And then here they are. Chef has one more small tip he didn't do. If you want to really caramelize them, you can broil them for a few minutes. He did not do that though. Here they are. A little bit more Parmesan cheese on top. And they came out amazing. These were so delicious. Got to try them myself. Thank you so much for joining us. Definitely make this side dish. We think you'll love it. Thanks again, everyone. A lot of videos to come. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.